In this video we are going to talk about 5 foods that are causing skin breakout. Acne is a widespread skin problem that affects almost 10% of the global population. Sebum and keratin production, acne-causing bacteria, hormones, clogged pores, and inflammation are all elements that contribute to the development of acne. The link between nutrition and acne has long been debated, but new evidence suggests that diet does play a role in acne development. Have you ever awoken to an unattractive pimple? We've all been in that situation. Acne can strike at any age, causing a lot of humiliation. It's the last thing you want to see in the mirror, whether you're getting ready for an important job interview, a hot date, or simply meeting friends for a night out. Despite years of disagreement, current studies show that what you eat has a substantial impact on your skin's health and look, with specific foods increasing the frequency of acne breakouts by as much as 10%. Although there are some excellent acne remedies available, it's also crucial to be aware of some of the most common acne-causing foods to avoid. Number 5. Acne and milk. Due to the bovine hormones that remain accessible after ingestion, dairy products, notably milk, are likely to contribute to the severity of your acne symptoms. Although you may believe that skim milk is a wonderful substitute for whole milk, this could not be further from the truth. In fact, milk proteins like whey and casein, which are added to skim milk to make it taste less watery, have been linked to creating more inflammation. It's commonly assumed that bodybuilders who take whey protein beverages as a workout supplement suffer from acne. Milk may be difficult to eliminate totally because it is present in so many of the meals we consume on a daily basis, but cutting back is a fantastic place to start. Most shops carry a variety of substitutes, such as almond or cashew milk. Although frequent use of dairy products has been related to worsening acne, it is unclear whether there is a cause and effect relationship. Number 4. Acne and alcohol. A drink to commemorate a special event or a glass of wine with dinner is always a joy, but excessive alcohol consumption can cause hormonal imbalances. Although it has not been established that alcohol causes acne, it does cause an imbalance in estrogen or testosterone levels, which is a major influence in the frequency and severity of breakouts. When our hormone levels rise, our skin generates sebum, a material that clogs our pores with oil and germs, resulting in severe breakouts. Binge drinking can also harm our immune systems, which normally help us fight off microorganisms that cause acne, as well as a variety of other viruses. Of course, you should drink in moderation at all times, but individuals who are more prone to breakouts should limit their alcohol consumption. Number 3. Acne and sugar. Unfortunately, sugar and foods high on the glycemic index are a key contributor to acne outbreaks for those of you who have a sweet taste. In other words, high sugar diets cause your body's insulin levels to rise. This high insulin overload causes the skin to produce more oils, which clogs your follicles and pores with sebum, as previously explained. This creates the ideal habitat for P. acnes bacteria to grow, resulting in a terrible outbreak, in addition to the inflammatory consequences generated by an increase in insulin. If you can't give up dessert, the best solution is to limit your intake of high sugar items. You just need a few pieces to satisfy your sweet tooth after dinner, and you'll avoid the dreaded insulin rise. Consuming a lot of refined carbs can raise blood sugar and insulin levels, which can lead to acne. More research, however, is required. Number 2. Acne and fast food. We all know that fast food isn't good for us. Fast food is to blame for an increasing number of health issues, and for the same reasons as mentioned above, it should be avoided when it comes to your skin. The heavy saturated fats and processed components in French fries, hamburgers, pizza, and other grease-filled finger food can drastically throw off your hormonal balance and blood sugar levels. Make your own version of your favorite fast food if you have a need for it. Replace baked potatoes with fried potatoes, and use white meat instead of red meat in your burger. Number 1. Acne and chocolate. Our good old friend chocolate has a long history of being blamed for all of our unattractive flaws. The good news for chocolate fans is that cacao in its raw form has been shown to have no effect on acne problems. In fact, raw cacao is high in vitamins A, C, E, and zinc, all of which are excellent for your skin. Chocolate has been connected to a severe case of acne due to the dairy and sugar commonly found in most candy bars and desserts. As a treat, try high-percentage dark chocolate or snackable cacao nibs the next time you grab for a chocolate bar. Avoid milk or white chocolate, which include a lot of the chemicals that irritate your acne and cause inflammation. It's crucial to remember that food isn't the enemy. When you consume the appropriate meals, it may actually be the answer. Anti-inflammatory and preventive effects can be achieved by including foods that fight acne in your diet, such as flax seeds or fish oils. A balanced diet rich in whole grains, green vegetables, and water can make a significant difference in the appearance of your skin. There you have it. If you're more curious about healthy skin, please be sure to check the link in the description down below. And make sure to like this video and subscribe for daily content. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video.